AI Engage is where we help you by putting prospecting on autopilot. We become an extension of your team where we leverage our people, our technology, and AI to identify the right prospects and do the outreach for you, building the top of funnel and delivering the marketing qualified leads. Your sales team then takes over, meets with the customer, understands their requirement, quotes them, and closes the deal. This is the business problem that we're solving for. For customers to build the sales development and business development process, they need to purchase a tech stack that is very expensive and then have the people on their team that are able to leverage that technology and do the work, which is also expensive. Of course, the other aspect is time, which consumes a lot of your resources. By leveraging our decades of experience and our expertise with AI, we can scale and deliver more results. Our team has the ability to do more work in 3 months than a team of 5 people can complete in a year by leveraging AI automation and working 24/7. We will deliver to your team the marketing qualified leads of prospects that have responded to the calls to action. The first step is in creating a secure and private company brain, one that is SOC 2 Type 2 compliant with KnowledgeNet. This brain consists of your sales team's emails and LinkedIn, your sales and marketing content, your social media channels, your ERP system or CRM system, your products and services, and your sales methodologies. We build this brain so that the AI agents and our team can leverage it to research and score and identify prospects that are showing intent, and we do the outreach on your behalf. These are the 4 steps of AI Engage that put your prospecting on autopilot. The first step is where we're leveraging AI to research and score to identify perfect fit prospects at scale, filtering through millions of signals across many different channels and scoring them based off of your ideal customer profile. And then in step 2, we're able to identify prospect signals across social, public, and engagement data to prioritize high intent buyers interested in your products and services. And then in step 3, we're leveraging AI and the brain that we've created to hyper-personalize the outreach. We're able to calibrate conversations with precision, adapting tone and messaging to each prospect's style. And then in step 4, we're doing the outreach with both LinkedIn and email, converting opportunities through multi-channel engagement, and then your team can execute by qualifying the customers, quoting them, and closing the deal. Step 1 of AI Engage is research and scoring. So after building your relationship brain, which only takes a couple of days, and we get from you your ideal customer profile, we use AI to search through 280 million contacts, leveraging your brain and your ideal customer profile, and we score every contact for relationship strength and fit to your ICP. We then prioritize the top 1,000 each month, and we do the outreach for your company, driving them to a call to action. Our AI agents are able to follow your current process, where your team spends hours researching contacts or companies, jumping between different tools, looking up contacts and connections and relationships, and then researching each prospect's web pages and their LinkedIn profiles and company and market news, looking for relationships on LinkedIn, researching through your CRM, asking internal colleagues if they know any of these people, and using a source to get their contact information. This takes from 30 minutes to hours for each and every prospect. And normally, it's not done to the level required, which leads to cold calling and cold emails, which are ineffective and have a less than 1% response rate. The KnowledgeNet AI agents work together for searching and scoring. The AI research agent will research the contact and the company that they work for, going through all of the processes that your team members follow, using their website for research, researching through LinkedIn, researching through company emails, researching market news. All the ways things are done manually can be done digitally. And then the ICP scoring agent will score the contact and the company based off of your ideal customer profile. Here's a short video demonstrating the KnowledgeNet agents and how they work together to extract information from external and internal sources to identify the right companies that both match the ICP of the customer and where there are relationships that can be leveraged. Here you can see them gathering information from several external sources, like those I previously mentioned, and they're building a profile about each company and comparing it to the customer's ideal customer profile. These agents are doing deep research on each of the contacts of their prospective companies, and they're building a profile about each of the people, including their contact information, work history, recent job changes, promotions, and how active they are on LinkedIn. They're also identifying those that have relationships and connection paths to the customer. Now let's look at internal sources of information. These agents are extracting insights and information from internal sources like the company CRM to understand the current notes, deals, contacts, relationships, and other information about the current prospect. This agent is amalgamating all the information gathered, prioritizing the top 1,000 companies and contacts to reach out to, and then federating all the information that's been obtained and sharing it with the agents that personalize the outreach. These agents are using different tools, customer-approved templates, and large language models to hyper-personalize the outreach. They are leveraging all the information that they have obtained in concert with all of the information they already have about the company, the brain that was built at the beginning. They use these tools to provide highly customized and personalized sequenced emails and LinkedIn outreach. They're able to calibrate these conversations with precision, adapting tone and messaging of each customer's style. This system of agents works 24/7 and can do more work in 3 months than can be delivered by a team of 5 people working for a year. And then in a unique and proprietary way, we're able to take control of the referral process at scale by leveraging your super connectors connections. Current customers, past customers, referral partners, professional contacts, all the people that could introduce you to contacts that meet your ideal customer profile. We also use AI in every additional step of AI Engage. In step 2, for example, we use AI tools to listen to social media postings and monitor your website to identify pending events and high intent buyers to prioritize them as well for outreach. We can listen to social media channels that you prioritize, and when people are reacting to it, we can research the poster and the company that they work for, score the poster and the company based off of your ideal customer profile, get their contact information, their email address, phone numbers, LinkedIn, etc., and then filter out contacts that your team has already engaged with, and for those where there's been no engagement, we will automatically send out LinkedIn and emails through a sequenced email campaign. As we're doing the outreach, we're also seeing which companies are visiting your website anonymously. They're not filling out a form, but we have the ability to identify those companies, use the profile about the company, and score them to your ideal customer profile. If there's a fit, then we can find the buyer personas at this company that you would normally engage with, use the relationship intelligence agent to filter out any contacts you have already engaged with, and then add them to the sequenced LinkedIn and email campaign. In step 3, we leverage AI assistants that are custom built and experts about your company and who are situationally aware of the prospective companies and contacts to calibrate conversations with precision, adapting tone and messaging to each prospect style. In step 4, we leverage AI to conduct your outreach for you with sequenced LinkedIn and email outreach that drives calls to action and prospect engagement, ultimately delivering the top of funnel results where your team then takes over to meet with, quote, and close the prospects. With AI Engage, we automate sequenced LinkedIn campaigns and email campaigns for those prioritized prospects, and we do all of the outreach for you. Included in AI Engage are KnowledgeNet licenses that 2 of your team members can use in parallel to the efforts that we're making on your behalf. These are all of the elements of the people, the processes, and technology that we're using with AI Engage. Every project includes a project manager that's assigned, the licenses for 2 active users, 2 hours of time to set up your ideal customer profile and buyer personas, 2 hours of our project manager's time per month, 5 hours per month of AI engineering for list building. We include 2 lookalike domains for outbound emails and 4 email senders that we warm up. With AI Engage, we follow the 4-step process that I've been reviewing, where we do the researching and scoring, the leveraging of your company's super connectors, and prioritizing 3,000 contacts. And then for the next 3 months, we're sending out 9,000 sequenced emails and 2,400 sequenced LinkedIn outreach. AI Engage, of course, includes what I was showing earlier, the social media scout and the web traffic intelligence. The minimum requirement for an AI Engage project is 4 months, and then from there it continues month to month. The normal process is to have a contracting month where we finalize the statement of work and the customer pays the first invoice. The following month is the setup month where our project manager works with your team and with our team and the AI agents to research and score all of the prospects that meet your ideal customer profile and prepare for the outreach. And then we do the outreach in month 1 to 1,000 prioritized contacts. In month 2, another 1,000 prioritized contacts, and again in month 3, another prioritized contacts. And then after the 4-month minimum, customers can continue from there month to month. So here's a quick summary of what we've been reviewing. We're putting your prospecting on autopilot. KnowledgeNet is doing all of the outreach and identifying and prioritizing contacts and delivering the marketing qualified leads. And then your sales team provides the sales qualification, understanding the customer's requirements, quoting them, and closing deals. Our job is to get you those marketing qualified leads. And we're able to provide that with a very high return on investment and with great success. Our AI Engage projects complete more work in 3 months than a team of 5 people can deliver in a year. And they work 24/7. The value that we deliver with AI Engage is to help you grow revenue, generate opportunities, gain a competitive advantage, reduce your costs, preserve knowledge, and expand your team's productivity. Below this video, I've included a link to our website where you're going to find case studies, video testimonials, and white papers, all detailing the results that KnowledgeNet has provided customers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Below are links to the presentation and to our website and to my calendar so you can schedule time with me. We look forward to working with you on your project. So long for now.